Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the coolest and most innovative products the world has to offer. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best Toyan model engine on the market right now, the Playz V8 combustion engine model kit that actually runs. Right out of the box, this kit is a STEM dream for both kids and adults. Designed to replicate a classic V8 combustion engine, the Playz V8 offers a blend of hands-on building, mechanical motion, and educational exploration. It's aimed at ages 12 and up, but let's be honest, this thing is just as fun for grown-ups. Inside the kit, you'll find 270 parts, including pistons, valves, cranks, belts, and more. Everything is injection molded, designed for easy handling, and clearly labeled. While it does require 3 Ah batteries to run, those are the only things not included. Building it is an experience in itself. You start by constructing the heart of the engine, the crankshaft assembly. Each piston moves in perfect synchronization thanks to an internal gear and cam system. You'll find yourself constantly referencing the included instruction manual, which, by the way, is extremely well illustrated and beginner-friendly. Then comes the fun part, adding the camshaft, rocker arms, spark plugs, and timing belt. As you build each piece, you begin to understand how air, fuel, and ignition work together to power a real car engine. Flip the switch and the fans start spinning, the pistons pump, and the transparent casing lets you see every part working in sync. Add in realistic engine sounds and LED lights, and the whole thing comes alive before your eyes. It's not just for show. This engine teaches mechanical engineering fundamentals, thermodynamics, motion, and mechanics, all while being a satisfying, screen-free project. Whether you're a teenager looking to explore STEM or an adult who loves DIY and engines, this model strikes the perfect balance between challenge and reward. And let's talk bonding. This is an ideal parent-child build. It takes a few hours, but the shared achievement of getting the engine to fire up is well worth the time. It makes for a perfect weekend project. So if you're looking for a gift that actually teaches something, or just a way to flex your inner gearhead muscles, the Playz V8 combustion engine model kit is a top-tier pick. It's educational, it's fun, and it just might be the spark that ignites a lifelong passion for engineering. That's it for today's breakdown. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want us to feature more incredible STEM kits or hands-on builds. Thanks for watching. This is Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next review.